Money makes the world go round, but in English, money also makes the idioms flow. Today, I'll teach you 30 powerful money and business idioms that professionals, entrepreneurs, and even Hollywood movies use. Stick till the end. There's a mini quiz waiting for you. In the red, meaning losing money in debt. After the holiday season, many small shops were in the red. The company's last quarter put them in the red. In the black, meaning making a profit. By June, the startup was finally in the black. She worked hard to get her finances in the black. Cash cow, meaning a product or business that generates steady profit. The iPhone is Apple's cash cow. Textbooks were the publisher's cash cow for years. Golden handshake, meaning a large payment to someone when they leave a company. The CEO left with $1 million golden handshake. He wasn't sad about retiring. The golden handshake was huge. Throw money down the drain, meaning waste money. Buying fake brands is like throwing money down the drain. That failed campaign was just money down the drain. On the house, meaning free of charge, paid by the business. The drinks were on the house. The manager offered dessert on the house. Tighten your belt, meaning spend less, live frugally. With rising prices, families must tighten their belts. He had to tighten his belt after losing his job. If you tighten your belt, do you spend more or less? Money doesn't grow on trees, meaning money is limited, must be earned carefully. Stop wasting cash. Money doesn't grow on trees. Parents remind kids that money doesn't grow on trees. Pay through the nose, meaning pay an excessive amount. We paid through the nose for that concert ticket. Tourists pay through the nose at airports. Nest egg, meaning savings kept aside for the future. She built a small nest egg for retirement. Their nest egg helped them buy a house. Born with a silver spoon in your mouth, meaning born into wealth and privilege. He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth, never had to work. Unlike her, I wasn't born with a silver spoon. Break the bank, meaning to cost too much or use up all money. That luxury bag will break the bank. The new phone didn't break the bank. It was affordable. Does break the bank mean spend little or a lot? You would have guessed it right. Bring home the bacon, meaning to earn money to support a family. She works 2 jobs to bring home the bacon. Who really brings home the bacon in this house? Cook the books, meaning falsify financial records. The manager was fired for cooking the books. Companies that cook the books face lawsuits. Is cooking the books legal or illegal? Go Dutch, meaning each person pays their own share. Let's go Dutch on dinner tonight. We always go Dutch when we travel. Money talks, meaning money has power and influence. He got the contract because money talks. In politics, sadly, money talks. Money to burn, meaning more money than needed, spent freely. She shops like she has money to burn. He invests like he's got money to burn. Pour money into, meaning invest heavily in something. They're pouring money into electric cars. He poured money into renovating the hotel. Is pouring money about saving or investing? You have the answer. Easy money, meaning money earned with little effort. Selling old phones online was easy money. Some think gambling is easy money, but it's risky. Filthy rich, meaning extremely wealthy. Informal. The celebrity is filthy rich. He became filthy rich after selling his startup. Gravy train, meaning a job or situation where money is earned easily. Government contracts were a gravy train. He lost his seat on the gravy train after the cuts. Does a gravy train bring hard work or easy profit? You know the answer. Hand to mouth. Meaning, living with just enough to survive, no savings. Many families live a hand-to-mouth existence. After the crash, she lived hand-to-mouth. Keep your head above water. Meaning, just manage to survive financially. Freelancers struggle to keep their heads above water. After layoffs, he barely kept his head above water. Is this idiom about success or survival? Penny pinching. Meaning, extremely careful with money, stingy. Her penny pinching annoyed her friends. The company's penny pinching hurt quality. Get your money's worth. Meaning, receive value equal to what you paid. That car lasted 10 years, real money's worth. At this buffet, you get your money's worth. Does this mean good value or bad deal? Pick up the tab, meaning pay the bill for others. Don't worry, I'll pick up the tab tonight. The company picked up the bill for the dinner. Rolling in money, meaning very rich. After the IPO, she was rolling in money. They must be rolling in money with all those cars. Is this more about being poor or wealthy? Turn a profit, meaning to make money after costs. The startup finally turned a profit. It took years before the farm turned a profit. Take a cut, meaning receive a share of money from something. The agent took a cut of the deal. Everyone wants to take a cut of the project. Does taking a cut mean giving or keeping money? Money for old rope, meaning easy money for little effort. British English. For him, selling advice was money for old rope. That side gig is just money for old rope. So there you have it. 30 business and money idioms that will make you sound like a pro in meetings, interviews, and daily life. Which idiom do you already use? And which one surprised you the most? Gravy train, or rolling in money, or take a cut or penny pinching? Drop your answers in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more idioms made easy.